Now let's start. Optimization project management. Introduction. Resource optimization technique is a project management tool that are used to adjust and implement and completion dates of the project activities and resources to adjust to plan resources and the resource availability. Basically, it is basically a tool that is used in a schedule network analysis to calculate the schedule completion of the project. Now, tools used in optimization resource optimization techniques. There are basically two types of resources optimization tools. First one is resource leveling and resource optimizing. Now, first one resource and leveling. This technique adjusts the starting to finish date based on the constraint of the resources. It is a goal of balancing the demand for the resources and using whatever the available supplies or available resources are, and it does not depend on the resources requirements and availability. So the requirements of the resources will not delay or its help to complete the project on the deadline. Basically, this in this resource leveling we can change the critical path of the project, means we change the deadline and we exceed the deadline as well. Now, resource modeling, basically it is a tool in optimization technique that says schedule the resources requirements resources does not below or beyond the predefined resource leveling. It does not critical path to change means critical remains same. Thus the completion of that may not be delayed. Now, steps of implement business of resource optimization. The first phase is identify, in which we identify the problem and define the purpose of the project and goal and scope of the project. Analysis, in the second step, analyze. In this step, we uh, checking or meeting the desired goals. What are the goals? Are what we have to achieve the objective of the project. Now third one is implement. Third step is implement. Now finding all the objectives, resources, scopes we are implementing our elements, optimize the or starting the process of the project. Now the fourth one, monitoring. Monitoring is basically a process in which we analyze the risk management, different types of risk. Like hazard risk, strategic risk, economical risk, etc., in which we analyze these type of risk. Thank you. This is